There is no such thing as luck. There is no such thing as chance. What you expect with faith, you shall receive by law. The law of expectancy is as sure as the sunrise. What you prepare for, what you make welcome in your mind, you make welcome in your world. I have long declared man receives not what he wants, but what he expects. Want is a vibration of lack. Expectation is the vibration of knowing. One delays, the other delivers. If you are listening to this, I know something about you. You have called out for clarity, for a breakthrough, for peace with your finances. You have prayed, affirmed, and visualized, and still you wonder why there are supply delays. But I tell you this with holy certainty. There are no delays in the divine mind, only divine appointments. You do not need more force. You need more faith. You need to expect, without worry or watching the clock. If you are ready for spiritual alignment each week, join me by subscribing. Let us walk this path of power together. When I speak of expectancy, I speak not of wishing. I speak of walking in your demonstration before it appears. I speak of preparing your heart, your home, your habits, for what is already yours by divine right. I remember a woman who came to me, worn with worry over her money. She had spoken all the right words, yet still lived as if supply were distant. I told her, you must act as if you have already received. Give thanks in advance, pay that bill with joy. Set the table for the miracle. Within 1 week, unexpected funds flowed in. Why? Because she expected them. When you shift from hoping to knowing, the universe shifts with you. Here is your practice today. Bless your purse. Write, thank you for my financial increase, on a card and carry it with you. Speak the words aloud, I expect money in surprising and delightful ways. If this truth resonates, like this video so others may also awaken. Comment I receive to anchor this power. Now hear me well. Worry is reversed faith. It is belief in lack instead of belief in law. Fear is faith in failure. You cannot mix faith and fear and expect demonstration. One must rule the other. Choose now which voice you will follow. When fear says, it's not working, you must answer with conviction, divine supply never fails. When the world says, be realistic, you say, I am governed by spiritual law, and it overrides appearances. Do not be fooled by delay. It is often the final test before the miracle. Do not faint in the last hour. Here is what I know. When a woman expects money as naturally as she expects the sunrise, she becomes magnetic to all she needs. Doors open, debts dissolve. Divine ideas come easily. Money follows harmony. So be harmonious in thought, peace, speech, grateful in advance. I expect abundance. I receive with ease. Money flows to me from known and unknown sources. I do not strain. I do not chase. I allow and I attract. The universe honors my confidence. I expect miracles. I expect increase. I expect provision in divine timing, without delay and without struggle. Take a deep breath. Let each word sink into the soil of your soul. Let it take root. Say them aloud with me again if you feel led. I expect abundance. I receive with ease. Money flows to me from known and unknown sources. I do not strain. I do not chase. I expect miracles. Now, beloved seeker, know this truth: divine substance is unlimited. Supply is never the issue. Belief is. If you prepare your life to receive, you will. If you speak from certainty and expect the good, it shall come. This is not optimism. This is law. You are not waiting for money. Money is waiting for your expectation. So walk today as if it were already done. Bless the mailbox. Smile at your bank app. Speak your truth and hold your peace. Like this message if it lifted you. Share it with someone who needs to remember the power they carry. Comment your intention below. And subscribe, that we may journey deeper into spiritual mastery together. Expect the best, and the best will come. Your demonstration is as close as your unwavering belief. And I say to you, with love and conviction, prepare, expect and receive. The universe rushes to meet the one who knows their good is already theirs.